Hello friends, the Big Saving Days sale is currently live on Flipkart. There are a lot of good offers currently on the portal. If you have an SBI card, you will get a further of 10% instant discount. The sale started on 15th and it will last until 21st of December. Just watch out for these crazy deals which runs at around 12 a.m., 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. in a day, every day. So if you are also looking for an air purifier, there is one model from Motorol. So Flipkart is providing a heavy discount of 63%. The original price was 17,999. Currently it's available for 6,499, and with the SBI card you will get around 1,000 rupees more discount. So for Flipkart Plus users, the sale started on 15th and the price was same 6,499, but on 16th the price was again changed to 17,000 something, and again few hours back it has again gone down to 6,499. So before this price again goes high, maybe if you are looking for a air purifier, this is one of the good options you can go for. This air purifier comes with a HEPA 13 filter with activated carbon and antibacterial filter, and the coverage area it supports is 550 square feet. Do check Flipkart for amazing deals and look for the product which suits your requirements. Enjoy shopping. Bye bye.